the ones who created the Drua. There is a legend of a god, a deity, who is the deity of craftsfolk, of the canoe constructors. His name is Rokola. So according to legend, Rokola was the one who created and put together these masterpiece canoes for the ocean travel. And it was until recently, as in 200 or 300 years ago, when the analysis of these canoes revealed that inbuilt into the canoes was knowledge of the physics of the ocean and the elements and the wind.
Physics like?
The physics, how each part was designed to withstand the forces of the ocean,
right,
was also designed to withstand the force of the wind, was also designed to mitigate the changing sudden conditions at sea.